My name is Gumm. I'm a lead trial attorney here at Zinda Law Group. I work on every type of personal injury case, anything from dog bites to premises liability, commercial motor vehicle collisions, wrongful death, trucking collisions, really anything where someone is injured at no fault of their own. I'm originally from Morris, Illinois, which is a small town about 60 miles southwest of Chicago, and I grew up there. Ended up going to Baylor Law School, went to law school. I've always really wanted to be an attorney. I chose personal injury because I like to help people. I like to help people through very tough times in their lives, and it's a rewarding career. When I'm not working, I like to get out and enjoy Austin. I like to hike, I like to kayak, spend time with my dog, go fishing, spend time with my wife, and really just enjoy the city. If you've been injured, you should give us a call because we enjoy what we do. We work hard on your behalf, and we really strive to do the best job we can for our clients. So if you've been injured, please give us a call.